Good day, everyone. Welcome to Grantskills International. My name is Kaiser Godno, the founder of Grantskills. I will be your instructor on hair beauty, both male and female. In this tutorial, we will be talking about different styles of haircuts, both for female and for the male, like shaving, lining, tinting, any color of tinting. Secondly, everything that has to do with the theory aspects and the practical aspects of clipper. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you in the basic aspects of barbing, and after that, we'll move into the professional aspect of the same barbing. In this point in time, I'll let you understand that barbing is very important. In our society today, you have to look good. You have to shave your hair, you have to clean up, your hair has to be neat, be you female or male. If they see that your hair is not well polished, definitely they will see you as somebody who is not clean, somebody who is not responsible. So at this point in time, I'll let you know the benefits of barbing. And you that wants to learn how to barb, the benefits that you will get from it. I'm a barber. I've been on it for years. There are some other businesses out there, but for this barbing, I enjoy it. Why I enjoy it is that each and every day, people come to cut their hair. People make sure that they look good. People make sure that they walk into a salon just to make sure that they shave their hairs. So if other people are lacking money, you as a barber, you can never lack money for a day, because it is something that comes every day. It is a continuous income every day. So therefore, I promise you, you have nothing to lose by enrolling on this course. Endeavor to enroll in this course. So see you in class. Thank you.